Hello everybody. Let me show you this. I just purchased yesterday Irish Spring soap. Bar soap is used to for shower, hand wash. It smells very good. But if you have something allergy, you should not smell this like me because it's probably made you get trouble breathing. So be careful. And this package has how many soap in here? 20 bar. All right here. 20 bar, and this can keep the smell great up to 12 hours. And the total weight is 2.1 kilograms. Yeah. And each bar is 3.7 ounces. Or is 104.8 grams. The total net worth is 74 ounces as 4.6 pounds. I bought as a wholesale, so it's packed like this. Now let me unbox it. The commercial airplane, because I'm recording the video. I'm sitting outside at the patio, so you can hear the airplane sound. It's very loud. It's not that bad. Sometimes it's worse than that. They continuously just never mind, forgot what. Here, one of them does smell good. It's you can see this is the original Irish Springs, and this weight, the neck weight is 3.7 ounces. It's or 104.8 grams. Deodorant soap. And it's the original. The last time I think I showed you the one is with aloe. That's the smell good too. That's one. I think it's the soap. It kind of a smooth soap. Probably it's been a long time, but I remember it's kind of really softer, softer than the original one, I think so. But anyway, let me open one for you to see inside. Okay, let's open this here. I open and see. Let's see one. This is green. Outside it's really like the same color like this, and just give me 1 second. The color is green, very green, probably because the light, the natural light, the sun, the cement, probably you see the color is different than the real one outside. The real one is outside is green, not the light is green. And really like the you know, the longan leaves or citrus leaves. So this smell great. Let's here, and let's show you. So it's 12 bar, and have here 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. Once again, like I told you, if you have allergy, you should not just put the softness to smell like me, like I did, because the smell probably made you hard for the breathing. Here, this is 10 of them. Hello everybody. Today I'm going to unbox this box. It smells great. Here, you can see it's Thai. It's the brand name, not Thai. Tax even 7-day-old stamps. It's the original. And oh, I forgot. We got your bows symbol. They have give us some symbol. And this box have 180 loaves. Let me show you on the top here. See. I'm going to detail that later. But let me quick show you. That's the same, and the same as on bottom. It's just a Thai and original 180 loaves. Let me show you the symbol. Easy. Okay. It's a cousin. Cousin may irritate eyes. Do not get into eyes. Give our rich children first entry treatment. Okay. Yeah, how we got the symbol of balls to redeem the symbol. 10 count. 10 counts. 10 counts. Locate 16 digit code printed inside of the lid of this box. Go to www. Follow instruction there. Your 10 count bows and symbol will arrive in the mail. You must be 18 and U.S. residents. 50 U.S. states and D.C. certified mail the original UPC and purchase receipt within 30 days of purchase. For mail, limit 1 refund per household. If you're not certified. The first day first time I brought home, it smell very. It still have a great smell, but probably I'm wrong. Not the that they have the thing right here. On here, 100% certification guarantee. And here how you use here the medium blow. Medium blow. If minimum blow, you will feel at the number 1. It's a large lows. You feel number 3, and the full lows is fill up the full cup there. And that's a 100% recycled paper. And cell septic tank. And okay, how to open it? Right here, like it's one of my hands on the camera, so it's not strong enough. Okay. I make it. Okay, here. Smell. Wow, this is smell good. So, they have a green stuff. I think this is something perfume or something like that. It's a smell great. Yeah, this cup. When it says small low number 1, minimum low is number 1, and large low number 3, and this is a full low. Full low, that's you fill up here. Yeah. So let's go back. Okay. Thank you for watching. See you next video. When I unbox something, I will record the video and then I'll show you. Thank you. Bye bye. Let me show you more detail on each box. Each box say here, bath side Irish spring original, feel clean and fresh. Great. Help keep your feeling clean and fresh. And clean the shop. No, we don't need to know this. Let's this. It's made in Mexico now. I didn't pay attention the last time where they made, but probably last time they didn't print where they made, but now they have to print where they made the shops. Most of the thing now I see they have the stamp where made it. That's okay. And that's very much all. That's all here. Okay. Anyway, thank you for watching my video. See you next video. You know, when I have something unboxed, I will record it, or I have some cooking or making something, I will record it, because it's hard for me to tell you what I'm going to do next, because most of the time I'm going to do the video with just okay. So okay. This shop probably you can use like for hand wash. I think a month. For bath, probably 2 weeks. Okay. Once again, thank you. Bye bye.